Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY E6 wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to clear the pairing history, clear the settings, so that you can set these earphones up like they're brand new coming out of the box with nothing on them. We can go ahead and do this really easily. We want to make sure we have a decent charge on them and that they're turned on. And once they have a charge and they're turned on, we're just going to come in and press and hold the volume down and volume up buttons simultaneously. Just press and hold them for about 10 seconds, basically keeping an eye on the LED light on the earphones. And once that light on the earphones blinks red a few times, that indicates the reset's complete. You can go ahead, release the buttons. You'll need to go in on your phone or whatever and delete all of the previous pairing because that won't work anymore, and you can pair these earphones as a brand new pair.